You're trying to swap a token and the prices keep changing every few seconds. That could be frustrating, right? And probably one decentralized exchange says 12 USD, another says 14 USD, another says 11.5. I mean, you could say there's no much different, but there is definitely a lot of difference. So you keep on refreshing, keep on comparing, keep on calculating, and before you finally press swap, the token pumps and you miss out the perfect entry. But let's get to imagine a tool that does all the comparison instantly, shows you the cheapest route, and gives you the best swap execution across multiple dexes just on one screen. That tool is Velora. And today you're going to learn exactly how to use the Velora Dex aggregator. So, welcome back to another SMC tutorial. And if you find our content helpful, do to buy our educational token Wiki Cat. It is built on the Binance Smart Chain, and the contract address is in the description of this video. Now let's get started. So Velora Dex literally is one of the most powerful decentralized exchanges anywhere, and it's a swap aggregator. So it searches across different dexes on supported networks and compare swap prices instantly, sends you your trade through the cheapest route possible, and minimizes fee and helps you save money during high market volatility. Now, this is how I would want you to think of Velora. Think of Velora as that smart assistant that finds the best swap deal for you automatically. So let's get directly into Velora. So I'll be using my OKX Web3 wallet for the purpose of this video, and I click on it and I go to the Explore tab and I search for Velora, and you could see it over here in the apps, Velora Dex. Click on that and go to Velora. So it is velora.xyz. Make sure you are on velora.xyz. Start trading now. Right, allow cookies, fast, fierce, and unchained. And my wallet is automatically connected. You need to select your network, and I would be selecting the Polygon, and select the token you want to swap into. Probably is it on Ethereum or probably base Ethereum. I'll choose base Ethereum and select the token, base Ethereum. And how mainly I'll just use 2 USDC. This is me literally jumping from Polygon to base Ethereum. But let's get to see jumping from Polygon to another token under Polygon to show you how fast it is. So let me switch back to Polygon and probably just look for a token here, and I would pick Smart Layer Network. Yeah, I'll pick Smart Layer Network, and I'll get to use and the price impact is too high because the token is very highly volatile. Let's go to a token that is very much good. Let's use the quick. That's for the quick swap, and I click on quick, and yeah, I get to use 1 USDC, and you could instantly see that it shows you the receiving address. You get this at one, including your fees, and you could see that, and you can click on swap and it simulates your transactions for you. It shows you receive 82. Best rate is 1 USDC equals to 82.0065. But the minimum you get to receive is 81.37 quick. And swap fees zero, literally zero. So you click on confirm trade and you have a first approved spending USDC, and unknown project approval, advanced option. Let's continue. It's a trusted DEX. It's Velora, and you can confirm and confirm again. It's not going to take time, so you wait for your confirmation and your order is completed. So what Velora does is that it finds the cheapest outcome for you and aggregates many liquidity sources. So there's no need to switch between platforms to check on which is the best real-time pricing. And it has a good interface for beginners. Literally, you could look at this. Always, ensure you have enough gas fees probably on the token you want to swap on that network. All right. And keep compare your output before clicking on the confirm button. So if you learned something new today, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to SMC Tutors.